Rumirira mateta maria makoretwo ho ma wagi wa mawira gatagati ka andu ethi, ministry ya andu ethi yaniriire ati ni kuheana ciringi bilioni 5 kuri andu ethi cia kwambiriria biacara ciao rungu rwa mubango mweru wa Nyota, na oho andu angi ethi matanyiheire 90,000 ni megutwarwo makambuni-ini niguo mabundithio mawira ihinda-ini ria mieri 6 na marikia maheo mawira o makambuni-ini macio.
We committed 5 billion out of the Nyota project to business support for our young people. Basically, Nyota program aims to achieve 2 big objectives. One, to help youth build business skills through grant, where we committed 5 billion, and this 5 billion will be shared equally. We have youth taken in every ward of Kenya, at least 70 youth in every ward of Kenya. That will bring us to about 100,000. And even the refugee areas are taken care of.
Uhoro uyu wiyumiritie giikaro-ini kia ministry no na macici aria marugamirire honge cia mbeu njithi kaunti-ini 47, CC Agnes Ng'eno kuma Bomet, undu umwe na murunawe Betty Samburu kuma kaunti ya Migori, makiuga ikinya riri ni riguteithiriria kunyihia kiriro kia andu ethi aria makoretwo magicakaya wagi wa mawira.
I want to appreciate the national government for bringing us, the county government, on board, because for a long time we have actually been on the side in terms of the opportunities for the youths. And today, as we have come today to engage, at least we shall have a seamless of opportunities that we can be able to actually draw a line and know that we are all after the youths, because as the county governments, we are concerned with the youths. We have a data bank for the youths, and we know all those youths that are there.
According to the census, the youth bulge is over between 29 to 35%. In most counties, it is even higher than the national rates, where we have a lot of youths, and you have seen what is happening currently, youths going to the roads. But I'm sure if these youths were engaged as this program, the Nyota program, is coming, they will really be engaged and be busy in programs that will improve their livelihood.
Makiria ma andu ethi milioni 1 nio maratuika maikitie ihoya ria kuria mieke ya kugairwo mbeca ici bilioni 5 ona thengia wa gukorwo andu 100,000 tu no mekuguneka ikereka-ini riri ria mbere ria kigina giki kia Nyota Fund kiria kirambiriirie mwaka uyu mweru wa kigina. Kiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigĩ Wanyamũ.